Hey everyone, welcome back to Clash of Compare. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been getting a lot of buzz, why you might want to consider switching from your Apple Watch to the new Samsung Galaxy Ring. Before we get started, just a quick heads up. You can find Amazon links for both devices in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with design and comfort. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is all about sleek, minimalistic design. It's lightweight and super discreet, which is a nice change from the bulkiness of the Apple Watch. If you're someone who prefers not to have something constantly on your wrist, the Galaxy Ring might be a game changer for you. It's comfortable enough to wear all day, and because it's a ring, it's easy to pair with any outfit. Plus, you can barely feel it's there, which is a huge plus. Now, let's talk health tracking, because that's why most of us love wearables, right? The Apple Watch is known for its health features, but the Galaxy Ring takes it up a notch with continuous biometric tracking. This little ring monitors your heart rate, analyzes your sleep, and even tracks your body temperature, all from a tiny, unobtrusive device. And because it fits snugly on your finger, the data it provides is incredibly accurate. If you're serious about health tracking, this is definitely something to consider. Alright, let's talk battery life. If you've ever owned an Apple Watch, you know the drill. Daily charging is a must, especially if you're using it for sleep tracking. The Galaxy Ring, on the other hand, can go for several days on a single charge. That means less time worrying about plugging it in and more time focusing on your day, whether you're tracking workouts, sleep, or just going about your routine. For those of you who like your tech a little more low-key, the Galaxy Ring is a winner. Unlike the Apple Watch, which is pretty hard to miss, the Galaxy Ring is subtle and blends right in. It's perfect for anyone who wants the benefits of wearable tech without the constant reminder on your wrist. Whether you're in a meeting, at the gym, or out for dinner, it's stylish, discreet, and gets the job done without drawing too much attention. And finally, let's touch on durability. The Galaxy Ring is built to last. It's more scratch-resistant than the Apple Watch and can handle everyday wear and tear like a champ. Plus, it's highly water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off when you shower or go for a swim. It's designed to keep up with your lifestyle, whatever that may be. So, is it time to make the switch from the Apple Watch to the Samsung Galaxy Ring? If you're looking for something more discreet, comfortable, and with a longer battery life, the Galaxy Ring could be just what you need. It's stylish, functional, and offers some seriously advanced health tracking features. Interested? Check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Clash of Compare. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews. Let me know in the comments, are you thinking about making the switch? See you in the next video.